Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am back again with another interesting tutorial. Today we are going to see a nice user form where I have used some special formulas like nested if condition, lookup value that can retrieve the data from Excel database and submit to another sheet. We can update employee salary increment and terminate an employee as inactive by submitting a resignation date. This is the user form. We can see here employee ID, employee name, join date, section, designation, previous gross, current gross, increment date, resign date, status also here. On the right section we can see database, interface, increment, resign list. All are this link button. When I click on this database button, this button take us to database and this take us to increment and this take us to resign list. Let's visit the database. Click on this button. This is the database here. There are some 3896 employees data here, and we can see anyone ID's information. To put the ID number here, let's try. I put someone ID here 600001. When I press the enter button, all the information will appear here. Now we can see all the information: name, join date, section, designation, previous gross. Previous gross was 27,626 taka and current gross is 27,626 taka, and the employee status is active now. We can increase the salary amount by input the increment amount like this 5,000 taka. If I want to increase the salary, then I put the increment amount here and the increment date also. Now I use the previous date like 1/1/23. When I press the enter button, the increment update button appear here. If I click on this increment update button, all the information will be transferred on the increment sheet. There is no data here. Now go back to interface and click on the increment update button. Let's try it. Click on this button and the button is disappear and all the information clear here. Now we visit the increment sheet. This information transferred here. Go back to interface, and if I put that ID again 60001, enter, Now you can see the different sum calculation like this. The previous gross was 27,626 and current gross is 32,626 and the increment amount is 5,000. If I want to terminate this employee, just I need to put the resign date here like this, 1/8/23. When I press the enter button, you can see the resign submit button appear. When I click on this resign submit button, all the information will be transferred to resign list. Now there is no data here, and on that time this employee create as a inactive employee. That means this employee terminate to inactive. Here now we can see active, but when I press on this resign submit button, this employee will be inactive. Let's try it. Click. All the information invisible. Now we go to the resign list. This information here. Go back to interface. Again put the same ID 60001. Enter. Different sum appearance. All the information the left side here same, and the right side increment date only visible here, and the resign date and increment date both are invisible, and the status is inactive. Resign date is 1/8/23. Viewers, this is the amazing user form. I always try to new ideas implement. All these features we can see on the like C#, ASP.NET, Java, Python, Oracle, PHP, etc. And I always try to use some different on Excel. We take a new Excel sheet and try it again. Let's try.